In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a free plugin from the WordPress repository on your WordPress site. And I'm going to show you all the ins and outs of doing that and something you should probably do before you install a plugin on your site just to make sure you're covered if something goes wrong. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below this video. I try to answer them the best I can. My name is Bjorn Allpass from WP Learning Lab, where we help you get better at WordPress so you can earn more for yourself, for your customers, and for your business. If you've not done so yet, make sure you click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. And now let's get started on this one. To install a plugin, first we go into our dashboard. So we log in, go to our dashboard, go to plugins, and then add new. And here is where we find plugins, thousands and thousands and thousands of them. What we see on the first page here is featured. These are very popular featured plugins. If we click on popular, it'll show you the most popular plugins, recommended plugins, favorites if you have any. And you can also search for plugins, like say we search for Elementor, which is a very popular page builder. And we see Elementor right here. We can click on install. It's already installed, so it shows active. This one right here, an add-on for Elementor, is not yet installed. We can click on install now and then activate. And now we have a new plugin on our site, Essential Add-ons for Elementor. One thing you want to be wary of, if you're doing this on your live website, you want to have a backup of your site first before you start adding new plugins. And I have a video for that in the card up above and the description down below to help you back up your site, because if something goes wrong, which is pretty rare these days, but if something does go wrong, you can revert back to the backup of your site, which can save you a lot of hair. It can save you a lot of stress. It can save you a lot of anguish and pain. So just have a backup. And I also recommend having scheduled backups. So at every whatever interval, every day, every week, every month, you have backups of your site made. And then if something goes wrong in the meantime, like things do, you can revert to a backup. Anyhow, this is our plugin right here. This is our activated plugin. Now this plugin adds a menu item on the left-hand side. Some plugins do, some plugins don't. Some plugins will add sub-menu items, so you find a lot of plugins that add stuff under tools. And next up, I recommend you watch that backup tutorial that I just spoke about right up here to make sure you're safe if something goes wrong on your site. And next up is watching this playlist down here, which is a full list of beginner tutorials for WordPress to help you get a solid foundation so you can build on that foundation and create awesome stuff. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Bjorn Allpass from WP Learning Lab. Until next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.